We try and expose our students to a different type of experience. They don't just sit and do bookwork. We get them out in the shop. We get them experiencing different methods, different techniques, different technologies. The Manufacturing Academy is an introductory course that we do for our students to get them prepared to go enter the workforce. So we have one student, Owen, that was really interested in running a machine. We got him on a machine to start running these centerpieces for our apprenticeship graduation. We machine parts that are not just for somebody that's never been in the industry. These centerpieces will actually go on the table of journey level apprentices. These are people that have been in the industry for years. They know what to look for. They know what is detail. They know where someone can make a mistake. The true inspection of these parts is not us going, oh yeah, it looks great. It's the actual machinist going, wow, this is actually really well done. People with actual decades of experience to actually look at these parts and tell us what they value and why they are good and whatnot. And it just validates that our students are doing a good job.